When it comes to keeping your home spotless, a reliable vacuum cleaner is essential. This Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, with its 400 watts motor stick, powerful suction, and intelligent features, promises to deliver on all fronts. With a combination of advanced technology and user-friendly design, this vacuum aims to simplify your cleaning routine while providing a deep clean. In this detailed review, we explore the features, performance, and overall value of this modern cleaning tool. The first impression of the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is its sleek and modern design. The gray finish gives it a sophisticated look that can blend well with any home decor. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Despite its sturdy construction, the vacuum remains lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the house. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its intelligent auto mode powered by dynamic power control DPC technology. This technology utilizes an infrared sensor to detect the level of debris and automatically adjust the suction power accordingly. This means you don't have to manually change settings based on the type of surface or the amount of dirt. The vacuum optimizes its performance and runtime, ensuring efficient cleaning without any guesswork. With a suction power of 130 Ah, the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner excels at removing debris from floorboard cracks and lifting carpet fibers to get rid of embedded crumbs, pet fur, and dust. It claims to clean 3 times deeper than its previous models, making it particularly effective on carpets and hard floors alike. This powerful suction ensures that even the most stubborn dirt and debris are effectively removed, leaving your floors spotless. For those concerned about indoor air quality, the vacuum features a 4-stage, dual HEPA filtration system. This system is capable of filtering out 99% of Z3 micron particles, significantly reducing the possibility of secondhand pollution and alleviating allergy symptoms by releasing filtered air. The multi-layered filtration ensures that dust, allergens, and other fine particles are trapped inside the vacuum, making your home cleaner and healthier. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers up to 40 minutes of runtime on power level 1, which is sufficient for most cleaning sessions. For extended cleaning needs, you can purchase an additional battery to double the runtime to 80 minutes. This feature is particularly useful for larger homes or more intensive cleaning tasks. The vacuum's lightweight and cordless design add to its versatility, allowing you to clean not just floors, but also cars, ledges, window blinds, and behind furniture with ease. This vacuum cleaner comes with a range of accessories that enhance its functionality. The included attachments can be paired with the cordless, lightweight design to convert the vacuum into a handheld unit. This makes it easier to tackle various cleaning tasks, from cleaning upholstery to reaching high shelves. The vacuum also features a mountable charging dock with accessory holder for easy storage. This keeps your cleaning tools organized and readily accessible, while also ensuring that the vacuum is always charged and ready for use. The straightforward assembly and intuitive controls make the vacuum easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Maintaining the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is straightforward. The pre-filter acts as the first line of defense, capturing larger particles and protecting the inner filters. It's recommended to clean off the dust from the pre-filter before washing it and to ensure it is completely dry before reassembling. Regular maintenance of the filters and occasional checks on the vacuum's components will ensure it continues to perform optimally. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner comes with a 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind and ensuring customer satisfaction. This warranty covers any manufacturing defects and provides support in case of any issues with the product. Levoit is known for its responsive customer service, making it easy to get assistance if needed. Conclusion: the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning tool that stands out in the market. Its intelligent features, such as the DPC technology and auto mode, coupled with a powerful suction and advanced filtration system, make it an excellent choice for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, and various other surfaces. The ease of maintenance, long runtime, and included accessories add to its appeal, making it suitable for households with diverse cleaning needs. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient vacuum cleaner that simplifies your cleaning routine while ensuring a thorough clean, the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a fantastic option. Its combination of advanced technology, robust performance, and convenient features make it a valuable addition to any home. Invest in the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today and experience a cleaner, healthier home with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.